Risk management is the most important skill. Now let me share with you the 3 simple risk management rules that every beginner trader should know. Rule number 1. Risk a small amount of money per trade, 1% to 2% per trade. This is an example. If you are having an account of $100 in capital, what you have to do, you have to risk $1 to $2 per trade. And if you are risking $1, this means you are risking 1%. If you are risking $2, this means you are risking 2%. If you are having a $100 account, you don't need to risk all your capital in one trade or in 2 trades. You want to risk 1% or 2%. For me, I risk 1%. I risk 1%. But for you, you can decide to risk 2%. Choose one. But for me, I always risk 1% per trade. Always 1%. Now let me show you another rule. This says every trade must have a stop loss. Every trade, let me say it again. Every trade must, double underline the word must. Every trade must have a stop loss. What do I mean? On a buy trade, your stop loss must be below your key support levels. On a sell position or on a sell trade, your stop loss must be above your key resistance level. Let me show you an example. If you are taking a trade, here at this key support level, you want to enter a long position, you want to enter here, always your stop loss must be below, because this is a buy position. So your stop loss must be, this is the stop loss, must be below your key support level. Your stop loss must be below the key support level. And if you are entering for a sell position, this is a key resistance level. If you are entering a sell position, if you are entering here, your stop loss must be above your key resistance level. Remember to place your stop loss at the right place. Now let me take you through the third rule. Is the risk to reward ratio. Let me show you here an example. The risk to reward ratio. What is the risk to reward ratio? The risk to reward ratio means if you are risking $1, your loss, if the trade goes wrong, your loss will be $1. Your loss will be $1. If you are risking $1, make sure you are, if your trade goes right, if the price go in your direction and you make money, make sure you make $2. And this means your risk to reward ratio trade must be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. If you are risking $1, your loss will be $1. In case price hit your stop loss, your loss will be $1. And make sure if the price goes right and price goes in your way, make sure you are making more than what you are risking. If you are risking $1, make sure at least you are risking $2 and above. And if you are making $2, that means your risk to reward ratio must be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If you want to make $3, which means your risk to reward ratio must be 1 to 3. If you are risking $1 and you want to make $4, that means your risk to reward ratio must be 1 to 4. Always take this last number. If you are risking $1 and you want to make $5, make sure your risk to reward ratio must be 1 to 5. 1 to 5. That is it. 1 to 5. Now, I don't want to just move on. I want to show you examples. Now, let me show you example of this rule. Let me show you an example. If you are buying here, you are risking $1, you are buying, make sure your risk to reward ratio is not this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Make sure your risk to reward ratio is not 1.041. Make sure your risk to reward, if you want to make $2, make sure your risk to reward ratio is 1.2. Yeah. No. Make sure your risk to reward ratio is 2. Yes, is 2. That is it. Make sure, I'm showing you an example here. Make sure your risk to reward ratio is showing 2 here. That means you are making $2 if you are risking $1. So if you want to make $3, make sure your risk to reward ratio is showing 3. Exactly 3. I think you are understanding me, guys. Yeah, if you want to risk $1 and make $4, make sure your risk to reward ratio is showing 4. That is it. And you don't want to make your stop loss too wide, as we said on rule number 2. Always place your stop loss below the support level. That is it. Always place your stop loss first before you take profit, because when you set your stop loss at the right place, your stop loss will show you where you will place your take profit. Always. Now let me continue with showing you guys. Yeah, let me continue showing you here. Let me show you here, guys. Always never ever risk money that you can't afford to lose. Here is an example. If you feel like losing this trade would make you emotion, that means you are risking too much. Or you are not ready to take the trade. You are not ready to lose in trading losses, you can't run away from losses. Losses are part of the game. So if you feel emotion, you feel like taking this trade is uncomfortable to me, that means you are risking too much. That's why rule number 1 says risk a small amount per trade, 1 or 2% per trade. That's what I do. I risk 1% per trade. And the last one says you don't need to win every trade to be profitable. You absolutely don't need to win each and every trade that you take to be profitable. Some of your trades will be losses, some will be wins, and most of them, I will not tell you that you will win every trade that you will take. No, that is impossible, absolutely impossible. But you can be profitable even when you are getting losses, as long as you are following your plan, you are following your risk management plan, as long as you are following all these rules that I have showed you, you become profitable. That's why I'm here to show you what is possible and what is impossible. So losses, you can't run away from losses in trading. But you make money if you are following your plan, if you are following your risk management plan, your risk management rules. So always remember to follow your risk management rules. Always follow all these rules that I have showed you here. You will become profitable. Sure. So that is it for today. Remember this: without risk management, you cannot make money. Without following your risk management rules, you cannot make money. Risk management decides whether you make money or you lose all. And remember, patience is your age. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and let us meet in another video.